Have you ever wondered how businesses automatically reply to every customer's 24/7 without hiring large support team? Or how travel agencies, real estate companies, insurance brokers and thousands of other businesses instantly respond to lead even when nobody is available? Well, that's exactly what WhatsApp automation does. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you everything step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own WhatsApp chatbot that can automatically talk to customers, collect information, and provide instant follow-ups without writing a single line of code. But before we proceed, let me show you a real example. Let's say I own a travel agency. I have over 1,000 plus contacts saved in my database and I want to promote my latest travel packages. Instead of manually messaging every single person, I simply send a highly attractive WhatsApp template message like this. Now, as soon as the customer receives this message and click on the book now button, something amazing happens. The chatbot immediately takes over the conversation and asks me to select my preferred destination. Once I click on this option, it will provide me the list. So let's say I want to book a trip for Bali. Within a second, the chatbot starts asking my details. So I'm responding by giving the details. As it is visible that how smartly the chatbot is asking me all the questions regarding booking. Once I sent all of my information, look at this. I have received one amazing customized follow-up message from the bot and it is personalized. See, it includes the same name that I have shared as Riya Singh, destination type as Bali that I have selected from the list, and all the details completely based on my input, and is asking me to confirm my details. So I confirm it. And then I receive this message. So this is the same chatbot we are going to build today step by step. This chatbot works 24/7 even when you are sleeping. And this is why businesses today are rapidly adopting WhatsApp automation, because every lead gets an instant response and every inquiry is properly handled. So if you also want to build a professional WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then you are going to love this tutorial. Today we are going to build this complete automation system from scratch using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you like this chatbot and you want to create the same, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is specially for my viewers, so grab this offer as soon as possible. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this chatbot. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But if you are an existing user just like me, then click on this sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you just have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. You just have to go towards this flows feature, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can create and manage static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. For creating a new WhatsApp chatbot flow, you just have to click on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow, name as trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. After giving the name, I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and sections. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. And on the right hand side, there are two options. The one is active and inactive toggle. With the help of this toggle, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And another one is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. I am selecting my trigger event as template selected. After that, I am clicking on this choose template button and selecting this special holiday offer template. See, this is the template that I have already created before. Now for creating this type of templates, you just have to go towards this templates feature, as everything is present inside this single tool. See, this is the template feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It is a predefined messages that were approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. For creating a new template, you just have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. See, I have already created some template before, and this is the special holiday offer template that we are going to use in this video. After selecting the template, you will see it includes one button by the name of book now. Now whenever the user will click on this book now button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this type of message. So for that, I am adding one list button from here. See, it divided in three parts, name as header, body and footer, where at first I am entering a header as great choice. After that, in this enter body box, I am going to write a message as we are excited to help you plan your next trip. And lastly, the footer. See, I have entered this content by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business. I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot for travel agency, but whether you run a real estate, service-based or any other business, you can make the changes in it. Next, I'm clicking on this Edit section button and entering a section title as destination type. After that, I want to add list of types of destination. So for that, I'm clicking on this plus add items button 5 times. Here I'm adding only 5 types of destination, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. See, here I have added all the destination types. You can also enter description in this enter description boxes if you want to. After that, I'm linking this circle which are present in front of book now to this list not. See, it is connected now. Whenever the user will select the destination type that they are interested in, then bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of custom field tags. So for that, I'm clicking on this actions option and adding button as set custom field. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field as destination type. Next, in this enter value box, I am going to write this destination because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this destination type. That's why I am linking this to this. Now, what is contact custom field? So, contact custom field is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, destination type, and many more. In simple terms, contact custom field is used for sending personalized message to each user. For creating a contact custom field, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I have set it this contact custom field specifically for this destination type. Now I am going to the setup of 4 more contact custom field nodes for each of these destination type as well. Here I have added, as you can see, I use the same contact custom field in each of these not, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their choice. Just like this. Now, once the user will select the destination type that they want to book, then bot starts asking them about their information just like this. So for adding these types of questions, you just have to take this question node and enter the question in this enter message box. Here I have added as please share your preferred travel dates. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as date and the format as any. After that, I am linking all these 5 contact custom field node circles circle to this question box because connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now whenever the user will share their preferred travel dates, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their number of travelers, approximate budget, their full name and their contact number. So for that I'm again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 4 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added all the 4 questions as well. In this question node, I ask users about the number of travelers, after that their approximate budget, next their full name and lastly the contact number. For the full name, I have selected the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. After that the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also works like this. For example, I have selected the format as text, but the user will reply to the bot in the format of number or any other format except text. Then bot does not give any responses. So for handling this type of situations, we need to increase the number of attempts for our user so that they can re-answer this question. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write a validation message in this enter message box. For this case, you can enter the validation message like please enter your name in the correct format. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized information confirmation message just like this that dynamically includes all their inputs. So for that I am going to take this text button from here, after that entering a respond message in this enter message box. Here I have added as almost done with dollar symbol, full name, destination type, date, number of travelers and the budget. As you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before some fields because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol automatically the user's input will come. See here in this step, whenever the user will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field full name, the bot will automatically captures the user's provided response and mention their specific name in this place. Just like this, see, as soon as I have shared the name as Ria Singh, it will automatically mention the Ria Singh after this almost done. It is only made possible with the help of this dollar symbol and this contact custom field. So this is how it works. With this message I want to add 2 quick buttons. So for that I am clicking on this plus add button, giving the button name as yes confirm, selecting the button type as quick reply and clicking on the save button. After that the next button I am adding as go back and edit and linking the question node with this text button. Now whenever the user will click on this yes confirm button, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this type of messages. Thank you, your travel inquiry has been successfully submitted. Here the next button is go back and edit. Whenever the user will click on this button, then my bot will again send them this destination list. So I am connecting that circle to this node. It is connected and our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you just have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. If you face some difficulties or you have any queries while getting this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. As you saw throughout this tutorial, creating a professional WhatsApp automation system does not require any coding or technical expertise. With just few simple steps, you can create a chatbot that automatically engage customers, ask about their information and provide instant follow-ups 24/7. Whether you are a business owner looking to automate customer communication or a freelancer wanting to offer WhatsApp automation services to clients, now it's your turn. Go ahead and build your own chatbot. Customize it according to your business needs and start automating your WhatsApp conversation. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like this video. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. Also, let me know in the comment section what type of WhatsApp chatbot you would like to build next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.